Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our previous video. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the video where we talked about why the US fought in World War I. Now let's test what you learned. Did the United States join World War I in 1914? No. The United States remained neutral in 1914 and joined in 1917. Was the sinking of the Lusitania a reason the US joined the war? Yes, Germany's sinking of the Lusitania and killing of American citizens angered the US. Was the Zimmermann telegram sent from Britain to Germany? No, it was a secret message from Germany to Mexico. Did Germany promise Mexico the return of US territory? Yes, Germany promised to help Mexico regain Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico. Did the United States have strong economic ties to the Central Powers? No, the US had stronger economic ties to the Allied powers like Britain and France. Did President Wilson want to stay neutral at first? Yes, he believed neutrality would protect American interests. Was making the world safe for democracy a reason the US gave for joining? Yes, that was the official message President Wilson used. Did American soldiers go to fight in Europe? Yes, over 2 million US soldiers were sent to Europe. Did the US join the League of Nations after the war? No, the US chose not to join the League of Nations. Did World War I weaken America? No, the war actually made the US stronger and more influential globally. Watch the video again if you missed anything. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another episode in this incredible series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.